Kaumarasati pragya dharman bhagavataniha. Durlabham manusam janam tadapya dhruvang arthadam. Prahlad Maharaj Mahajana Vakya, Mahajana statement. He is wise, he is intelligent, pragya, who practices it, makes endeavor to develop complete Krishna consciousness from the very childhood. He is pragya. Dullava manusam janmam tadapya adhrubam arthadam. Because this is Dullava janma really achieved and adhruva, any moment it may finish. Death may come. So I should not even miss one moment in my life how to develop Krishna consciousness. That is pragya. He is wise, intelligent. Understand?